Hi Humber, I'm JB and I'm a journalism student at North Campus. This is your Humber Update. You may have noticed this new art installation on the main floor of the LRC. Humber Galleries and the Office of Sustainability collaborated to collect a variety of waste products from programs and activities at North and Lakeshore campuses. The project was led by Toronto-based environmental artist Anya Mielniczek. Humber recently hosted a Pathways Fair to showcase educational pathways at Humber and beyond. Guests met with representatives from Humber and other post-secondary institutions to discuss diploma and degree pathways, graduate certificates, and study abroad options. For more info on pathways, visit humber.ca/transfer options. Finally, Humber hosted the Road to ATSC 3.0 seminar at the Barrett CTI. The event brought together tech industry experts and Humber faculty to discuss the next generation broadcast standard. ATSC 3.0 offers new business and innovative services in media and creative arts, applied sciences and technology, and many more fields. That's all for now, Humber. For more news and events, visit humber.ca/today. For Humber Today, I'm JB Martinito.